This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gents. We're about to embark on a journey into the future of air travel. Picture this, a future where air travel is as smooth as a freshly paved racetrack, with no bumps or jolts to disturb your peace. Imagine cruising at 30,000 feet, sipping on a chilled beverage, and not a single drop spilled. The skies are clear, and the ride is as smooth as silk. No more white-knuckle grips on the armrests, no sudden jolts interrupting your in-flight movie marathon. You can finally relax and enjoy the journey. Sounds like a dream, right? A perfect flight experience where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Well, thanks to the marvels of artificial intelligence and cutting-edge technology, this dream might soon become a reality. AI is revolutionizing the way we fly. We've all been there. That moment when the plane suddenly dips and shakes, turning your stomach into a roller coaster ride. It's an experience we could all do without. Turbulence, the unruly child of atmospheric pressure and wind shear, has long been the bane of air travel. It's unpredictable and often unavoidable. It's the uninvited guest at your in-flight party, the unexpected speed bump on your journey to your dream destination. It can turn a pleasant flight into a nerve-wracking experience. But what if I told you there's a way to ground this unruly child? With advanced AI technology, we can predict and avoid turbulence, ensuring a smoother, more enjoyable flight for everyone. So, what exactly is turbulence? It's a common term we hear, but let's dive deeper into what it really means. Imagine invisible rivers of air, flowing at different speeds and directions high above us. These air currents are constantly moving and interacting with each other. When these air currents clash, it creates those bumpy patches we know as turbulence. It's a natural phenomenon that occurs due to the complex dynamics of the atmosphere. It's like driving on a road with potholes, only these potholes are invisible and constantly shifting. The unpredictability of turbulence can catch even seasoned travelers off guard. Turbulence can turn a pleasant flight into a nerve-wracking experience. The sudden jolts and shakes can be unsettling, especially for those who are not frequent flyers. It can cause anything from mild discomfort to severe shaking, making it difficult to walk down the aisle or enjoy your meal. Flight attendants often have to pause their service to ensure everyone's safety. In rare cases, it can even lead to injuries. Passengers and crew members can be thrown around if they're not securely fastened. And it's not just the passengers who feel the heat. Pilots have to stay alert and manage the aircraft through these turbulent conditions. Turbulence also puts a strain on the aircraft, leading to wear and tear. Regular maintenance checks are crucial to ensure the plane remains in top condition. Plus, it forces pilots to take longer routes, burning more fuel and increasing flight times. This not only affects the schedule, but also has environmental and economic impacts. Enter Falcon AI, the superhero we need to combat those pesky air currents. This cutting-edge artificial intelligence system is like having a co-pilot with superhuman reflexes and an uncanny ability to predict the future. But instead of relying on crystal balls, Falcon uses real-time data analysis and some serious brainpower to outsmart turbulence. Here's how it works. Falcon is connected to a network of sensors both on the aircraft and in the atmosphere. These sensors constantly gather information about wind speed, air pressure, temperature, and other atmospheric variables. This data is then fed into Falcon's powerful AI engine, which analyzes it faster than you can say turbulence and predicts areas of potential rough air ahead. Falcon AI taking flight. Benefits for passengers and the planet. With Falcon on board, pilots can now see the invisible potholes in the sky and navigate around them. This advanced technology provides real-time data, allowing pilots to make informed decisions and avoid areas of turbulence. This means smoother flights for passengers, less wear and tear on the aircraft, and even some fuel savings. Passengers can now enjoy a more comfortable journey, free from unexpected jolts and bumps. That's right, folks. Less turbulence means less fuel burned, which is good news for the environment. By optimizing flight paths, Falcon AI helps reduce carbon emissions, contributing to a greener planet. Imagine a future where turbulence becomes a distant memory, a relic of the past like dial-up internet or cassette tapes. This future is closer than you think thanks to innovative technologies like Falcon AI. Passengers can enjoy their flights without the fear of sudden drops or spilled drinks. In-flight entertainment and meals can be enjoyed without interruption, making the travel experience more pleasant. Airlines can save money on fuel and maintenance and reduce their carbon footprint. This not only benefits the airlines, but also helps in preserving our planet for future generations. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Pilots, passengers, airlines, and the environment all stand to gain from the advancements brought by Falcon AI. Navigating the skies, potential downsides and ethical considerations of AI pilots. But hold your horses. Before we all get too carried away with the idea of AI pilots taking over the skies, there are a few things to consider. Firstly, developing and implementing a system as complex as Falcon AI is no walk in the park. It requires significant investment in research, development, and infrastructure. Then there's the million-dollar question: who's responsible if something goes wrong? If an AI makes a mistake, who takes the blame? Is it the developers, the airline, or the AI itself? These are complex ethical questions that need to be addressed before we hand over the controls to our AI co-pilots.